late, I'm always late. So this time, they typically don't wait for you if you're running late. It's one thing if you're late to dinner, you're late to a friend's house, you're late for whatever, but when you're late for a plane, that's just not it's not a good thing. It's not really at all. Always on the hustle. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is SEMA time. I'm in a last minute crazy hurry because that's just the way it always is for me. I feel like I'm a procrastinator. I always put things off to the last minute. Here I am this morning getting ready to go to Vegas and packing up all the gear. So catching a plane to Vegas. Tomorrow is the start of the SEMA show. Now this is the first time that I have ever been able or invited or just flat out had the chance to go to SEMA. I'm pretty excited about it. For those of you who don't know, SEMA is kind of like the granddaddy of all automotive shows, and it goes down in Las Vegas at the convention center, and the who's who of everything and anything to do with automotive vehicles, overlanding, RV, racing, just whatever it is you can think of automotive, everybody goes to SEMA. So looking forward to this opportunity. I'm going to be going down with my buddy Sean, who is one of the co-founders of Battleborn Batteries. So I'm going to be hanging out with the crew at Battleborn Batteries. We're just going to go have a good time, and I'm bringing you guys along for the adventure. It's something a little bit different than van life, but when it all comes down to it, this is part of van life. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the adventure. Let's go see what this has to offer. Thank you. Thanks.
Where are you seated? Okay, we should
Barely made it by the hair of my chinny chin chin. That was close. I shouldn't procrastinate so much because that just makes things way too stressful.
We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us today, and happy Halloween.
Current Las Vegas weather under mostly clear skies. Temperature right now at about beautiful 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been a pleasure bringing you down today. Look forward to seeing you on another Allegiant flight. This time we're going to start flight attendants and police fire provider.
The Uber lot for Vegas. I assume everybody takes Uber now. They got their own lot, and this is just freaking crazy right here. We're gonna see how long this is gonna take to get downtown. Dude, this is insane. Well, in all this chaos, managed to get an Uber. Uber's here. It's time to roll out, headed downtown, Las Vegas. Here we go. bullshit. How do you know when SEMA's in town? When all the hotel lines are extremely, extremely long. This is just registration of getting into the hotel. I'll be here for a little bit.
Second floor, last to be the room number, elevator hallway to your left, okay?
Perfect, thank you very much. Can't find the freaking light switch. Dude, I swear every time I stay at Treasure Island, this light right here in the corner always gets me. I'm always looking for the switches. Dude, this is literally freaking ridiculous. Aha! We got it. Let there be light. Look at this. Why do they gotta make light switches so freaking complicated? It's just a light. I think I just broke the bed. There we go. As good as new. Nobody will ever notice. No, but seriously, can we just talk about hotel life for just a second? I mean, us van life people enjoy going out and staying in a hotel every once in a while too. I mean, we need a vacation from our house. When we live in a van full time, like, sometimes it gets kind of boring and it gets kind of cramped, and sometimes you just need to change it up once in a while. That's why I like coming to events like this, when you get to go hang out with cool sponsors, you get to go to cool shows, or even when I'm going out on a film shoot for a client. It's fun because it mixes things up a little bit. We get to work on cool projects, we get to film cool things, we get to go to cool shows like the SEMA show here in Las Vegas. So, guys, tonight is a little bit of hotel life. So, gotta have fun with it. I think one of my favorite things about staying in a hotel is the lighting. Now, let's face it, Treasure Island down here in Las Vegas is no luxury hotel, but it's right here in the middle of the strip. It's affordable, and I've got a corner room tonight. I mean, look at this. We're right on the edge of the strip. It's kind of a cool view. And I'm just going to enjoy a little bit of break from van life. So guys, welcome aboard this adventure. We're getting in the middle of it. We've got SEMA all weekend long. From here, I think it's time for a little bit of a drone mission in like downtown Las Vegas. Drone mission. That's going to take a little bit of, you know, how would you say it? Like, I can't think of the word. Dude, my brain is like, we're gonna have to fly a little bit under the cover. Under the covers? No. Undercover? Like drone mission. Like, we're just going undercover drone mission. Like, on foot, around Las Vegas. We're gonna put the drone up. We're gonna go see what kind of views we can see. So, I mean, screw it. I'd say let's get to it. We're in Vegas, baby. Let's do this. Okay, so truth is we're not actually gonna go fly drones. And why, you might ask? Well, first off, it's highly illegal to be flying drones in downtown Las Vegas, and we don't do illegal things here on Living the Van Life. Trust me, I did think about it long and hard. It would be very cool to go fly some drones over Las Vegas, but the drone literally will not take off anywhere near the Strip. It's got its flight restrictions that are all built into it, etc. But that is an intro to the brand new drone that I just got here for the Living the Van Life YouTube channel. It's the Mavic 3. Many of you guys are always asking what drone I use for flying here in the videos. Previously I was using the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, but now we've upgraded to the Mavic 3 Cine, so I'm excited to bring more footage of that to you guys. But in the meantime, we're going to take this camera here, we're going to go out on the Strip, and we're going to shoot a little bit of time lapse to wrap up this first episode of Down Here in Las Vegas. Let's get with it.